I'm going to take this gold vintage frame and give it a new life with a simple $10 hack. So stay tuned to make this over, and hopefully you get inspired to go make over some shit in your own house. Hello beautiful soul, and welcome back to Mindfully Modern. I'm Jessica, and today I'm going to be sharing a very exciting DIY, very easy DIY, ballin' on a budget status, but we are taking old vintage and antique frames and giving them a new life. So this picture frame right here, some of you may have saw me purchase it at the shop with me that I posted for the Great Junk Hunt. And then I also showed and told you guys in my home decor haul that I purchased this for an interior design project. So I need to give it a little love. It needs a little zhuzhing up. This is more of a gold color, and the house is more designed with brass. So I'm going to take this gold vintage frame and give it a new life with a simple $10 hack. So stay tuned to make this over, and hopefully you get inspired to go make over some shit in your own house, okay? We are all about upcycling on this channel, making something new fit your aesthetic, making something new out of something old. Literally, this is a $30 DIY, including this large 24 by 30 frame. So I think that's pretty amazing. This is so budget friendly. I'm excited.
Okay, so here's the star of our show, some rub and buff. You're also going to need a paintbrush and an old towel. Now I started off cleaning this picture frame because my goodness, she needed it. There was cobwebs, there was dust, there was dirt, and she just needed some love and preparation before we went in to bring her back to life. So as you can see, the frame has a very bright gold look to it. So by using the European gold, which is warmer, this will give off a more brassy vibe that we're looking to achieve. I definitely went heavier handed into those grooves because I wanted to negate any of that reddish brown that was coming underneath and just blast it with brass. I will say, as you guys saw me globbing it on, but for the reasons of filling in and getting rid of all those nooks and crannies and all that red in the detailing of the frame. But you don't need to use that much, so start with a little, because a little is actually a lot. Also, I would love to tell you guys through my own trial and error that if you are trying to rub and buff something and it is not sticking to whatever texture that you're trying to apply it to, then spray paint that item first, and then it will stick. Next time that you're out and about and you're shopping for intentional home decor, I want you to look past the ugly color that something may be and realize that you can rub and buff it, you can paint it, you can spray paint it, you can refurbish it, you can make it into anything that you want to go with your aesthetic. So don't be afraid to get creative and try things. If it doesn't work out, that's okay. Pivot and try the next thing. An intentional home has decor with stories behind it, including your DIY upcycling pieces. So this is the final look of this gorgeous brass frame. I love it. It turned out perfect. What do you guys think?
Thanks for hanging out with me today and doing this super budget-friendly DIY project. I hope you guys like it and take this inspiration into your own home. Don't get bogged down by thinking that this rub and buff is only for wood products, only for a certain thing. Get creative. That is the beauty of being creative. Put it on whatever you want, whatever you're trying to upcycle, whatever you see the need to make some sort of decor piece cohesive in your home. I'm about to rub and buff this candle because orange isn't my vibe, but when I put that antique gold on there, it sure as well will be. So get creative, make your space your own, and stay tuned for the next video. I will show you how to print out your own photos to go ahead and frame in your DIY frames like this. I will go ahead and link all the products that I used for this easy, budget-friendly DIY down in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and we will see you in the next video. Sending my love. Bye. Subscribe if you want more. I mean, you just came up to the window, so it has to be good luck. So.